Hello there, and welcome back to WindowPurchase.com. I'm Jay Johnson. One of the subjects I want to go with you today is on contractors doing the installation versus the actual company you're purchasing the windows from. There's just a few things here that you would want to know that a lot of people don't think of. And again, this is going to depend on who you're buying from and what state you live in. The first one would be, let's say you're having a new construction house built, and you're using a contractor to build that house, and they claim, or they actually do everything. You can get everything through them. And they're going to do your window and door install. That's fine, and that has nothing to do with how good or bad the windows or doors are, but I find that typically, if a contractor is doing the install, most of them, not all the time, but most of them, cover the installation for 1 year. You might squeak a little more out of them, maybe 2 years, maybe 3, but typically it's 1 on a new construction house. Now, that means if anything fails on those products after the year, somebody's going to pay somebody, whether it's them or another company, to come out and fix it, replace it, or repair it. Now, if you're buying through a third-party dealer and you're having the contractor build the house, but you're buying windows or doors from a dealer, and they put them in, that dealer may give you a longer warranty on labor. And that's something that you should be going through when you sit with them and get these presentations and read these warranties. And then the third one would be, let's say you're buying directly from the manufacturer. Some manufacturers in the market, if you purchase the windows or doors directly through them, instead of having your contractor install the windows and doors, you can get a lifetime warranty on installation on the windows and doors. And that's going to give you a much better peace of mind over the long term if you're looking to stay in that house, that you're not going to get nickel and dimed after that first year if something starts to fail on the product. Because let's face it, most of the things that go wrong with windows and doors, it's not usually in the first year. There might be some subtle adjustment that might need to be made initially, but most of the problems you're going to have are going to be further down the road, not within the first year. So if you can get a lifetime warranty on stuff like accidental glass breakage and seal failure and hardware and installation and stuff like that, then again, it's a much better peace of mind up front. And those are things you would want to look for. The other thing is, again, depending on state to state and what company you're actually buying from, if you're buying directly from a manufacturer, sometimes there's no tax involved because it's not a cash and carry sale. They make it, they install it, they service it. But if you were to buy from that manufacturer and then you have the contractors do the installation, now there's usually going to be a tax charge on that because it became a cash and carry purchase. And the taxes you pay may be equal or slightly outweigh what you would have just paid to have the manufacturer's employees actually do the installation, and then you would have a longer installation to start with. So that's another thing to take into account. Anyway, as usual, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my website. Again, I'm not that good at social media, so if you know anybody looking for windows and doors, either drive them to WindowPurchase.com or send them to Amazon, Kindle, Barnes & Noble, pick up a copy of my book, Shopping for Windows 101. Thank you so much, and look for more videos.